Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how you easily create .aab bundle that you will upload on Google Play Store, right? First of all, go to the build.gradle file and here just increment the version code. For example, if your version code is 2, then increment it to 3. If it is 3, increment it to 4, right? Then go to the build and click generate signed bundle or APK. Here you will select Android app bundle because it is more acceptable in Google Play Store. Okay, then click on next and then click on choose existing if you already have. Otherwise, just click create new. It's very simple. Choose the path where you want to store your file, right? And it's a tab. Just keep the password as like the file name, right? Also alliance name same. Here just put your details. What's yours? Up to you. Then click OK. In my case, I will choose existing and we click OK from here. Right. Here type the password, type the key alliance and type key password. Then click next. Here you will select release and then click on create button. These are the simple steps that you can use to create Play Store bundle. In few minutes Android Studio will generate a bundle file and then I will show you in my folder, right? Just look at it. This is the app.release.aab file that Android Studio generated. Now you can upload it on your Play Store and will start your earning. If you want to know how to upload your app on Google Play Store, just keep tuned. Good luck.